Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, M.B.O.T just filed a current report on Form 8K confirming a new customer win, and I am seeing a pattern that signals potential growth. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing highlights an important step in the company's expansion strategy, and we will break down what it means for their future. So what we have here is a current report, essentially a way for public companies to quickly announce major events that investors need to know about. The big news in this filing is about Microbot Medical Inc., or M.B.O.T as it is traded on the stock market. On the 2nd of June 2026, they announced they've landed their first customer in North Carolina for their LIBERTY Endovascular Robotic System. This is significant because it means they are expanding their reach beyond the Southeast. Mid-Atlantic and Northeast regions of the US think of it like this. They've already got a foothold in several parts of the country, and now they're pushing into a new state. This is a good sign of their sales efforts paying off and showing that their robotic system is gaining traction in new healthcare markets. This filing comes from Microbot Medical Incorporated, which is incorporated in Delaware. Their stock, traded under the symbol M.B.O.T, is listed on the NASDAQ Capital Market. As of the latest information we have, Microbot Medical has a market cap of around $135 million, with the stock trading at about $2.01. They have a relatively small team of 43 employees. The core of this report revolves around a key business development. Microbot Medical announced they secured their first North Carolina-based customer. This healthcare system is adopting their LIBERTY Endovascular Robotic System. This move is important because it shows the company's geographic penetration is broadening, which is a positive indicator of growth and market acceptance. For those unfamiliar, the LIBERTY system is a robotic solution designed for endovascular procedures. These are minimally invasive surgeries performed inside blood vessels. Having more hospitals adopt these advanced technologies is a trend we're seeing across healthcare, as they aim for better patient outcomes and more efficient procedures. Now, like many filings, this one includes what are called forward-looking statements. These are essentially educated guesses or expectations about the future. The company is saying things like will, believes, and expects. It is important to remember these are not guarantees. Actual results could be different due to various factors in the market and the business itself. The company also states they have no obligation to update these statements unless required by law, which is standard practice. They believe their plans and expectations are reasonable, but there is no certainty they will turn out exactly as planned. The filing also lists the exhibits, which are essentially supporting documents. In this case, the main exhibit is a press release. This press release, labeled Exhibit 99.1, provides more detail on the customer win and is officially attached to this report. There is also an interactive data file, which is becoming standard for SEC filings. Finally, the report is signed by Harold Gardot, the Chief Executive Officer, President, and Chairman of Microbot Medical Incorporated. This signature confirms that the company is officially releasing this information. Now, let's put this into perspective. Landing a new customer, especially in a new state, is a positive step for any company. It shows their sales team is effective and that their product is appealing to a wider range of healthcare providers. For Microbot Medical, this North Carolina customer is a clear signal of their expanding market presence. We've seen other companies in this space grow by consistently adding new clients across different regions. This expansion can lead to increased revenue and, if managed well, improved profitability. The key will be to see if they can replicate this success in other states and continue to build on this momentum. It is a good story, but investors will be watching to see if this translates into significant financial gains in the coming quarters. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you like these deep dives into SEC filings, hit that like button and subscribe for more. The tools I use for research are linked in the description.